Drink boiled lemons every morning. You will be shocked by the results. Parts of the video. Boiled lemon benefits. How to prepare boiled lemon. How to use boiled lemon. Lemon is one of the most common household elements and easily available. Among the several natural elements enriched with vitamins and minerals, lemon is one of the finest fruits utilized for its health benefit. It is used in food, salad, or simply as juice. The lemon peels are thrown out, and the efficiency of lemon is not utilized to the fullest. Many people are not aware of the benefits of lemon fruit as a whole. Lemon peel is composed of magnesium, potassium, vitamin C and A, folate, and beta-carotene. Lemon water has a number of health benefits. Here we list a few. 1. Boost immunity. Regular consumption of lemon water reduces the risk of sore throat. It is also found to be beneficial in treating asthma and other respiratory conditions. 2. Diuretic. Honey and lemon water are good diuretics that stimulates the production of urine and flushes toxins from the body. It helps in maintaining pH and cleaning the urinary tract. 3. Kidney stones. Lemon water is rich in citrate and of course water. They work in conjunction to dissolve kidney stones and flush out the same from the body. 4. Weight loss. Warm lemon water on an empty stomach is very helpful in your weight loss journey. 5. Bone health. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts bone health and prevents osteoporosis. Also, it possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help prevent arthritis. 6. Skin health. It is widely known that lemon is added to many household beauty products. It lightens age spots, whiten nails, skin brightening scrub, applied on elbows for clean soft elbows, etc. 7. Digestion. Bloating, diarrhea and constipation are common digestive elements that many people often suffer. Cultivate the habit of drinking lemon water, which helps in detoxifying the body. 8. Prevent heart diseases. The polyphenol flavonoids, vitamin B, and vitamin C are very helpful in reducing blood pressure and preventing heart diseases. 9. Bad breath. Lemon water is an efficient cleanser. The acidity of the juice kills the odor-producing bacteria. 10. The Energizer. The lemon water is rich in vitamin B, vitamin C, phosphorus, carbohydrates, and proteins, making it a natural energy drink. It provides you instant energy. Needless to say, it hydrates the body. 11. Brain. It helps in reducing stress, improves brain function by increased blood circulation, and maintains sleep cycle. The rejuvenating drink is also found to be effective in reducing stress. 12. Anti-cancer. Lemon is composed of flavonoids, Salvestrol Q40, and limonene. These ingredients can fight abnormal multiplication of carcinogenic cells. How to prepare boiled lemon. After reading the amazing health benefits of lemon water, you might be curious to start your lemon water routine. Here we guide you on how to prepare this tasty and rejuvenating drink. Composition. 1. 6 fresh lemons. 2. 500 milliliters of water. 3. Honey for taste. Preparation. Wash lemons in clear tap water and cut them into pieces. Place the cut lemons in 500 milliliters water and boil it for 5 minutes. Let the juice cool down. Squeeze the lemon to get the juice of it, and then strain the solids and store the liquid in a refrigerator. The juice can be stored for up to 3 days. You can add honey to get a good taste. You can also add different flavors to please your taste, such as mint, cinnamon, or fresh ginger. How to use. Lukewarm the liquid each morning and drink it on an empty stomach to get the best results.